Hello, it's another Dude Life story. So we're going to Boracay. Samahan niyo ako. We're on our way na going to Naiya.
Do you know when you call love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom.
Hello guys, so nasa airport na tayo. Waiting na lang tayo mag-open yung boarding gate. Ayun, I'm so excited kasi parang how many years, like ano bang year ako huling pumunta? 2018, 2019, last Boracay ko. So, ayun. And magstay tayo sa Crimson Hotel. So, this is the first time din na makakarating ako sa Station 0 ng Boracay. So, yeah. Hello! Hi! Welcome! We safely arrived here sa Boracay Airport and we're waiting na lang sa Crimson. Hello, Kuya!
Welcome po sa Matiglan Airport. By the way, my name is Ivan, your airport representative. May I know reservation name po, ma'am?
Almeda.
Sige po, sir. We have only 2 adults and 2 boxes. 2 luggage po tayo. Approximately 7 to 10 minutes going to Crimson Lounge, and for the boat transfer is only 15 minutes directly to the beachfront. So sit back, relax, enjoy the ride. Thank you so much po. While we're just waiting for the boat transfer, you can have some snack, water, and coffee po.
Okay, thank you.
It's hard to be alive when you're not here. It's hard to be alright when you're not here.
Hello.
Hi.
So we're here at Crimson Pavilion. So
Yeah.
while waiting for our boat to arrive, so we're having coffee here.
And complimentary snacks.
Yeah. Pasakay na kami ng bangka.
Yeah.
Ayan. Let me show you. Ayan na sila. Ayan. Thank you so much, Crimson. Kuya, station ano tayo pupunta? Yung Crimson, Station 0. Secluded area yon.
Yes po.
Okay.
For your safety, please wear the life vest at all times. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Thank you.
Hello guys, so we're here at Station 0. Look at this, we have arrived.
Yeah, arriving at Crimson Hotel Station 0.
Station 0, look at that.
Yeah, super nice beachfront.
Diba? Very secluded.
Yeah,
Ayan
serene
siya.
and private.
By the way guys, dito kami nag-arrive sa beachfront. Kasi nga maganda yung weather. But if the waves are too strong or may bagyo, then definitely magla-land transfer kayo. Everything naman inayos na from the airport, sinundo kami. Then yung boat transfer and everything. Parang wala din tayong binayaran, yung hindi na kami nagbayad ng mga anong tawag doon, environmental fee, tourism kaneme, ganon. Siguro feeling ko sila na nagsettle nun. Kasi may promo si BDO na parang 60%, 68% off. So I use my BDO credit card and then ayan. There you go, we're experiencing it. By the way, may kasama pa kami, bukas siya dadating. But look at this.
OMG, so nice.
Hello po. Good afternoon. Thank you.
Nothing more that I would ever need.
Okay, thank you.
Lie together where the sun meets sea. Then we can be together. Then we can be together.
Thank you.
Breakfast tomorrow, Saffron, from 7 a.m. until 10:30. Last call is at 10 a.m. They are also open for lunch and dinner. That's from 11:30 until 11 at night. So Saffron is our all-day dining restaurant serving Filipino and Western cuisine foods. On top of it po, sir, is Mosaic. This is the Latin American grill restaurant for dinner only. That's from 6 to 11 p.m. And then before going here, we just need prior reservation. So mostly premium meats and seafoods are served here naman po.
Okay.
And then we also have one restaurant at the beachfront. You might have seen it earlier po on the way up here. This is the Azure Beach Club. This is our Asian cuisine restaurant naman po, open for lunch and dinner. That's from 11 a.m. until 12 midnight. And then, should you prefer to order food from your room service po is open 24 hours. You can simply dial 111 from the telephone inside your room. And then beside Azure, we have the Jay's Pool Bar. It's open from 10 a.m. Happy hour goes from 3 to 6 p.m. in the afternoon. So that's 50% discount on selected drinks.
Okay, that's good.
Yes, and then they're also open naman po until 11 p.m. For the pools po, we have the main pool by the beach open for swimming. That's from 6 a.m. until 9 p.m. naman po in the evening. Our beach, however, is open for swimming. That's from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. only. After 6 p.m. po, you can still hang out at the shore, just no swimming since it will be a bit dark already po.
Yeah.
And then for the two other pools, we have it at Cobalt and Indigo Building. That's located at the first floor, one floor down from here. Open for swimming 8 a.m. until 6 p.m. in the evening po. And then the rest of the facilities will be located at the ground floor. We call it the Village. We have there the spa. We also have the gym, gaming room, art room, and library. Beside also, Saffron is a gift shop po that's open from 8 a.m. in the morning.
Okay. Can we also have the copy of it?
Absolutely,
Or-
po, sir. Actually, in your key card, sir, we have a QR at the
Okay.
back which you can scan. That leads you to the hotel directories po. So all of the menus of the restaurants will be there,
Okay.
including the room service, the spa, and this resort map as well
Okay.
po. Okay. And then, in your room, sir, you have 3 sodas and 1 beer inside the mini fridge. So those first set during your stay is one-time complimentary. You also have free Panama hat and tote bag. It's complimentary. You can take it with you
For
as well.
3?
That's for one.
Just, okay.
Yeah.
Sa akin lang.
You can take it
Sa
with
akin
you
lang.
when you check out po.
Oh, you have to buy daw sa souvenir
We
shop
have
nila.
it.
Please, meron po yung slipper shops. Or may...
We have po sa gift shop din po siya available po. Okay.
Yung, okay.
And
sige.
then
We'll
your
find
room,
it na
sir,
lang.
is automatic. We have for the blind spot, we have the switch by the wall, so that's up and down for sheer and blackout blinds. And then the air condition, sir, you just have to maintain the balcony door locked once you're inside for it to circulate po.
Okay.
If you need anything, you may dial 0 from the telephone inside your room or send us a message anytime on WhatsApp.
Alright.
Alright. Let me know if you need arrangement for your guest tomorrow po.
Yeah. I'll just WhatsApp you na lang.
Alright, no worries po, sir. All good?
All good.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah,
Okay, we'll do a room tour. Here. Hi, Kuya. Anong name mo, Kuya Marlon?
Yes po. Good afternoon, sir.
Ayan.
So, this is our amenities po, sir.
So we have a TV here and then complimentary.
And then, it is feeling outside po. We have a dispenser outside.
Okay. So have coffee here. Nasaan yung bala niyan, Kuya? Ay, ito.
Ito po.
Okay.
And then, in the bed is we have a hot and bag spray also po.
Okay. Ito, meron tayong bed. That's our bed. Yan.
And your blind is a pull and down is here.
Kuya, try ko. Okay, so this is the room. Ayan. Ayan, kitong hat and tote bag. I like it. Ayan. Meron bed pa rin doon. Then king bed. And then may slippers dito. Ayan, may slippers na pala. Oh.
libre ba yun?
Yes po, ma'am.
Sa'yo na lang.
And then you can change the size po kung meron sa
Sige. And then, oh, may bathtub. So this is the bathroom. As you can see, ang laki. And then separately yung bathroom sa shower room. Toilet bowl. Ayan. Oh my God, ang ganda.
Super ganda. Thank you. Ba't ikaw na lang po? Joke.
So,
Thank you, Besh.
okay, so let's open the blinds. Ayan, so this is the balcony, the veranda. Ah, okay. Sige po. Hello there. Thank you po, Kuya Marlon. What can you say? You're so ang ganda. And look at this. Okay, our view. Can you see? And then my complimentary hat. Oh my God, I like this one. I'ma bring this and then the tote bag. Then ang nakaka-amaze tong CR, like super laki niya. Ayan, super laki niya. Guys, so may home party doon sa labas sa pool and then we'll check it out.
Alright， 享受秋夜的夏天，别窝在家里面，不如去海边，不算浪费时间。Hey sorry， 但是我会一直在你身边。不开心。
Where are we going?
We're going to the bar, Azure Bar.
Azure Bar.
For the happy hour.
Happy hour. Magka-cocktail muna ka dito. And Kuya, hello. Ihatid kami ni Kuya, oh. Hello, Kuya. Hatid kami ni Kuya. So, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Ayan. Hatid tayo, Kuya, sa... Bukas na tayo maligo. Ayan, ito. Dito tayo sa Azure. Guys, it's happy hour and we're having our drinks here. What do you call this? Crimson sour.
And I'm having piña colada.
Yeah. So cheers.
Cheers! Happy
That's the happy hour. Sarap.
Ang sarap. OMG.
That's ang sarap, guys. So it's already 5 PM na and buti maaraw. Look at the view. Ayan, maaraw na siya. May mga naliligo na sa dagat. Ayun yung dagat. Going back to our room.
Yeah, after the happy hour, we're so happy.
We're so happy. But we're so tipsy.
Yeah. Grabe naman ang mga drinks dito.
Pero sobrang sarap ng yakitori and crimson sour. I
Yeah.
like it. I love it. Kuya, thank you. Kuya, okay lang i-video ka?
Yes po.
Okay. Thank you, Kuya. We're going back to our room. Yeah, it's fine here na lang kami. Okay, thank you.
Kamusta naman po yung stay, sir?
So far, so good. So better. So best.
Yeah. Ito lang, medyo maulan lang ngayon gabi po.
Okay lang. In-expect ko naman kasi June.
Oo, in-expect talaga namin.
Kasi June na eh.
Pero at least, naka-hindi naman.
May araw.
Dinner muna.
Hi guys, first
Bago
night.
tapusin ang day 1. Bago tapusin ang day 1. Kasi antok na kami, to be honest.
Kuya.
Pero kailangan namin kumain. We're gonna try one of the restos here. Bread yan. Hindi namin alam kung bread.
Basta ganyan talaga yung bread ng mayayaman. Ganun yun.
order is here. So it's chicken and pork adobo for Vivian. And this is, ano to? Sinigang na salmon. Ayan. That's for me. Then we have rice. Then we'll eat muna. Ayan. Hello guys. We just had our dinner and we're going back to our room.
We're so full.
Yes.
The food was nice.
Kumusta yung adobo?
Yeah, I like the adobo. Parang lutong bahay lang siya. Tsaka,
library.
ang dami ng serving. Akala ko good for one.
Yung sa akin naman sinigang na salmon. Masarap. Nakulangan lang ako sa asin, pero carry na din. Okay guys, and that concludes our day 1. Magtututbrush na din, matutulog na kasi kulang kami sa tulog. Para fresh tomorrow because day 2 here at Crimson Hotel, a resort pa. So yeah, see you next time. Bye-bye.